Welcome back to the channel, guys. Real nice Guyana. So today we're gonna be cooking some real nice mutton here. Um, it's one of our son's birthday, and he likes mutton, so we're gonna be making some mutton curry today. So we have uh, our leg here, which we're gonna cut up and prepare for the curry. So we're gonna remove most of the fat as possible. So when last you had some nice mutton curry. I love mutton too as well. So I remember the radio commercial in Guyana about a mutton curry and Dhal curry. Right, well that same curry we're going to make today. We have some Dhal curry from yesterday. Yesterday we made some Dhal curry. Alright guys, so we've cut up the mutton. We're gonna wash it and take away some more of the fat that we can right now. Alright, so we're making some dal as well, guys. The dal is going there already. And we have our ingredients here, so we're gonna add some oil to our karahi here now. So as you can see, our karahi is hot already. So we have our curry powder here, garam masala, jeera. And this is garlic, pepper, onions. So I'm gonna be listing the ingredients, guys. Give the dal a turn. Alright guys, so we're gonna start with our onions here. So we're gonna cook our onions for a little bit. Then we're gonna add this stuff here, the jeera masala and garlic and everything. You gotta add a bit of salt now. Yes, guys, as I said when last, we had some nice mutton curry. I'm going to be enjoying this today. Even though it's not my birthday, I'll be enjoying this very much. And I hope the birthday boy will be too. I'm sure he will. He loves mutton. Okay, so our salad is coming along here. So as you see, we added our onions first. Bring out some flavors, then we add the other ingredients, so the garlic and the curry powder, garam masala, jeera. And then we're going to cook this for approximately 2 minutes. Check up on the dhal here. Dhal still has a way to go. Well, we're coming along, we're coming along. So remember the ad on the radio? Oh, Gala, why you cook for dinner? That's what we're cooking here today, mutton curry. So we've added our mutton there. I'm gonna give this a mix up. Alright, so we're gonna give this a little mix. So we've mixed that in well, now we're gonna cover that and leave it to cook. And our dhal is still going there. So we're gonna give this curry a turn. Curry looking good. As you can see. Yes guys, smelling really nice. Okay. So one of the pepper break up in there. We have one whole. So we take it out. We don't want it to break up or it's gonna be too hot for the kids. So our dhal is here. Our dhal is finished. So you can either gote the dhal or swizzle the dhal. Today we swizzling. How many pepper you put in there? That was 2.
Not 2, but I'm gonna break up one. I'm gonna break up this one.
Alright. Alright guys, so it's time to truncate the dhal. Our Mutton is finishing off here. There you go. So this this mutton has been dried here now. So now we're gonna add the water for this cook. All right, so we're adding hot water here. So you see, it's boiling right away. See if you can add hot water. It's gonna speed up your cooking time a little bit. Okay guys, see you in a bit. Alright guys, so let's show you what the dal looks like here. By the time they been a little bit, by the time the mutton is cooking up. So got our dal here. So we gotta mix that up. Right guys, we're gonna give this a little turn here now. It's been a while. Right, looking good. That's a piece of the meat. Still a bit tough there. A little bit tough. Alright guys, so our mutton is done here now. We just add some scallions there. There you go, so that's done. So we're gonna remove this from the heat now. We don't want it to dry anymore in this. There you go. See how the dal is looking? You gotta mix that up a bit. So since we truncated, we didn't mix it up. We just left it covered to infuse there. Look at that goodness. Alright guys, so here's our finished meal. We have our dal and rice and mutton curry. So I'm gonna go take a bite here now. Actually, this is my dinner. Yeah. Take a little piece of the very pepper there. Always makes your food more flavorful. But yeah, mutton curry and dal and rice. Always a winner. Guys, I sang the song for you guys. I mentioned the song. The commercial they had in Guyana, the radio commercial. Bauji Gala, what you cook for dinner? Dal puri and mutton curry. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed cooking with us some mutton curry, dal and rice, traditional Guyanese food. Please, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do comment, subscribe, share the video, and as always, thanks for watching. See you.